Hey everybody, Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, today with another unboxing video. This time it's the Melnor XT HydroLogic 4-zone water timer from Melnor. As you can see, this is a digital water timer that you set up with your outdoor water spigot. This will be part of my smart gardening series to show you how you can grow your own food for very little money and very little effort. So let's go ahead and start with this unboxing. It's not a very complicated unboxing, I must say. So, you got the unit itself. It does have this little plastic, so I don't think that's the real time. Let me see if I can take this off. See if that comes off. Oh, hold on. This thing's tricky. Here we go. Yeah, so, it just says the time. Wow, this thing's thick. So, you have that basically right there, and then the all-important instructions. And this is what, it comes in different languages. So this is what I'll be reading right now because you basically have to program your watering schedule. But I guess since I have it right here, we'll unbox the soil moisture sensor. Let's see if this comes with any instructions. No, it does not. But I wanted to know how it connects. So it's got that connection right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Oh, I think that's it right here. Yep. And there we go. The connection point right there with this little rubber stop. So I'll put that back in for now. I'm going to set this up. So you want to tune into my channel. I'm going to become a master at programming this. I have 4 zones that I want to program, but I also have one covered area that I'm going to use for this soil moisture sensor. I just don't know if it does one area or all 4. So I'll be learning everything you have to learn about this. So you want to stay to my channel, like, subscribe, leave your comments. If you're lazy like me, but you want to grow your own food, this is the thing you need. So stay tuned for the upcoming Grow Your Own Food series on Handy Andy Media. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing up.